Is Chrome opening new tabs or windows on its own? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Some people using Google Chrome on Windows PC have been reporting that the web browser keeps opening new tabs irrespective of any command from the user. There can be a ton of cases for this issue, but the main ones are narrowed down to adware, corrupt installation, background applications, rogue extensions, etc. Today, we will be taking a look at the fixes for this issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Remove conflicting browser extensions. There are high chances that the extensions and toolbars installed on your browser might be conflicting with the loading of your websites. So, to fix that, you need to remove or disable these extensions and toolbars. Maybe you could start Chrome in safe mode and then try to identify the offending extension. If you are a Chrome user, you can type chrome:/extensions in this address bar and hit enter to open the extensions page. You can also access it via Chrome options, then more tools, then extensions. You will be able to enable, disable or delete the browser extension and also get more extensions should you want to add more. To start Chrome in safe mode, follow these steps. You need to open Chrome in incognito mode. This will automatically disable all add-ons and extensions. Click on the Chrome menu button and choose New Incognito window. Method 2. Disable applications from running in the background. Start by launching the Google Chrome browser. Now, click on the menu button on the top right corner and from the drop-down select Settings. Scroll down under the section of System. Turn off the toggle for continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Restart Google Chrome and check if that fixes your issues. Method 3. Run a malware scan. As mentioned before, this problem can occur due to some changes made by malware or adware. Therefore, scan your whole system for malware or adware. Use any antivirus software to scan your computer. You may want to also use ADW Cleaner. This useful freeware lets you carry out the following tasks with the click of your button: reset proxy, reset WinSock, reset TCP or IP, reset firewall, reset hosts file. Method 4. Reset or reinstall Google Chrome. Hit the Windows + R combinations to open Run and then navigate to the following path: %userprofile %/appdata/local/google/chrome/userdata. Now, select the folder named as default and hit the Shift+Delete button combinations and then click on Yes for the confirmation prompt you get. After deleting the default folder, open Google Chrome and click on the menu button denoted by 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Then click on Settings. In the Settings section, scroll down and click on Reset Settings. This will now give you a prompt like this: Chrome keeps opening new tabs or windows on its own. Confirm your action if asked, and this should reset Chrome browser. Now check if your issue is fixed or not. Alternatively, you can download and install the latest version of Google Chrome after uninstalling it completely from your computer. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.